ba to?
Nananawagan po kami sa lahat po ng ating nakikinig ngayon. I'm in the Senate with the other senators. We're having a caucus. Nabalitaan po namin na allegedly may mga taga-NBI na gustong pumasok. Nakita na nagbabarena ng pinto galing ng walls galing dun sa GSIS side. So we have our security here. Papasalamat kami sa PNP, outside and inside meron. Nandito ang Marines, but ito po ang emergency. Nagkaputukan na po. May report ako from the Sergeant at Arms. So NBI is denying na tao nila, pero nagkaputukan na. So we don't know what's happening. Everyone's locked in their rooms now. We cannot go out. We cannot secure our other staff. Senator Bato, Senator are together. Walang sumasagot from the government, from us. This is the Senate of the Philippines. This is the Senate of the Philippines. May putukan na po dito. What is happening? NBI, what is happening? Why are we under attack here? I don't know what's happening, but I do not know if I can keep my people safe here. I'm willing to go out. I'm willing to face anyone who is going to serve the warrant or do whatever. I told you, you're welcome to serve. But do not do this. So please help us. Please let us know what is happening here. I will repeat po, kinonfirm ng ating Sergeant at Arms na nagkaputukan na po. Many senators here have the numbers of the AFP Chief of Staff, etc. We're trying to get in touch, no? So far po, nagpe-perform yung Marines dito, yung OSAA, yung police sa labas. But inside the building, we do not know what's happening. I'm sorry I have to do it this way. Hindi po namin malaman kung ano nangyayari. So, I'm relying on your prayers po, and I'm relying kung may nakikinig from the government here, what is happening po dito sa Senado. We have received the article of impeachment po. It is here. We are having a caucus how we will address that. So why is this happening at bakit may putukan nga dito? Please, someone respond, call us, let us know what's happening.
Andito kami at yung karamihan ng mga senador nagsiakyatan para bisitahin si Bato kung okay pa rin siya. Dahil kami nagtataka at nagdatingan yung mga opisyal na kada isa, kanina, hindi sumasagot sa amin. Denied to death sila. Sabi nila lahat na talagang wala silang kinalaman. Nag-umpisa sa ating PNP. Dumating si John Vic Remulla, wala rin siyang kinalaman. Ganon din ang NBI, Dedma rin. Lahat sila walang alam, pero putukan, tuloy-tuloy. Ganon din, kinausap pa si Presidente Bongbong, si BBM. Sabi din, hindi naman daw niya utos yun, ba't daw nagkaganon? Andito pa kami, kanina pa kami narito, pero talagang walang umaamin, walang may alam, lahat sila gulatan. Hindi ko maintindihan. Nako, nagkakaputukan na dito sa inyong Senado, amoy usok na sa lahat ng sulok, hindi namin mahanap ang aming mga kapwa senador at hindi kami makapaglabasan. Ay, eto, ang sabi nila, talagang denied to death. Pero, ang sabi ng NBI agents, inutusan daw sila personally and directly ni BBM, arrest Bato at all costs, kahit sino pa ang mamatay, kahit sino pa ang madali, basta pasukuin si Bato. Ngayon din. Kaya't di na namin maintindihan ano ba totoo. Mukhang wala namang nag-utos nito. Bakit nagkaroon ng Senate siege?
Okay, so si Senator Loren at si Senator Pia finally got in touch with the NBI director. So they're here, they're here in the room. We have to turn off the lights dahil may putukan na nangyayari. Si Senator Pia and si Senator Loren called the NBI director. He said wala daw sila dito dahil pinaalis daw nila dito. So he said, please find out what's happening kasi nagpuputukan. Sabi niya walang magagawa kasi pinaalis. And then he started saying, wag kami magtaas ng boses. What will you do, Director, kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga usaan mo naka-vest na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari? What would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Loren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. So sabi niya, hindi kami makalapit, pinalis nyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, well then do your job, make us safe, this is not good. Ma'am, wag mo ako sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, wag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotion.
So I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So, the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin? We're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi lang dadating na. So, again, no? Kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. The Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito. So please, kung sinong nanonood, sinong nakikinig, we expect yung tawagan namin would understand the emotions here and will say we'll do something about it. No? So the rest, mga nasa Senate, turn off the lights, stay low. Kung may active shooters, follow the protocols.
O, nandito kami at nagsisiksikan kami sa isang maliit at madilim na sulok dito sa kwarto ng SP habang nagpuputukan pa rin sa gilid at nagtutulakan pagkat pilit na pumapasok yung mga NBI at yung kanilang mga kasamahan na may mahahabang baril dala-dala at pinagsuot na nga ako ng bulletproof ng aking mga security. Ganun pa man, hindi tama itong nangyayari kung nais nilang nakipin si Senator Bato, hindi nila dapat ipinsala ang institusyon ng Senado, ang building ng Senado at ang mga senador. Hindi po tama itong nangyayari at nananawagan kami sa mga opisyal kung kayo ay busy o may ginagawa o kung ano-ano pa, pwede ba tulungan ninyo kami rito at nagpapasaklolo na yung mga senador ng ating republika.
Kaya kami nakikiusap, ayaw namin ang kabuluhan, ayaw namin ang karahasan. Ang Panginoon ang papagin ng batas. Itahan mo mga kaibigan. Kahit pabalang ang sintana. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you. Pakibabalang po ang pintana. Pakibabalang ang pintana. sir. For coordination lang po, no? Para walang abala ninyong lalabas. Doon pa lang sa gate. At paki-advise na po na ibukas na nila yung bintana. For cooperation lang po, sir. For respeto po. Pag-ibukas na nila yung bintana nila para ang paglabas nila dire-diretso. Kasi abalain talaga namin sila pag hindi nila binusan yung bintana. Malalabas nila. Malalabas nila man namin sila. Pero buksan lang nila bintana. For cooperation. Sinisiguro namin na hindi nila may tatakas sa ba to. Gagawin namin ang lahat. Ang aming makakaya, proteksyon, para hindi nila magawa. Ulit na yung ginawa nila kasi sa Bigo. Kahit buhay namin ang kapalit.